can't believe Sparks has gone back to the 6th dimension. But hey, now that you're short of one lightning knight, you might consider taking on someone new. Maybe someone you know? Maybe someone in this room.
Nice try, Pete.
Hold on. I come all the way from England to visit my best friend, and he won't let me play his video game.
First of all, it's not a game. It's real. And second, I'd appreciate it if you didn't mention Ace Lightning to anyone else here.
Relax, mate. Your secret's safe. On one condition. You set up a meet and greet with your superhero friend.
I don't know, Pete.
Come on. What's the worst thing that could happen?
Whoa, money. Whoa. Whoa. Hey, what? Hey, come back, money. I need you. I need you. Hey. Ah, yes. Okay. Okay, I got you now.
He falls for it every time.
You, rat! Get Lord Fear. Tell him it's time to destroy Ace Lightning.
It's hard to take a stand. It's hard to do what's right. No matter how scared you are, you have to stand and fight. And we don't have to play this game all alone, 'cause there's a hero. There's a hero in us all. It wakes a hero in us all.
Listen up, you carnival misfits. I've found my evil side, and I'm sick of all the do-gooder cowards in this dimension, starting with Ace Lightning.
Oh, yeah. You say that now. But what happens when your good side comes back and you and Ace are buddies again, huh?
I'll never be friends with him. You hear me? Never.
I've always liked your evil style, Virus. Pity we can't trust you.
You should have believed me when you had the chance, you pitiful scarecrow. Now you're only prolonging your annihilation.
Release me, Virus!
That's what you want. That's what you'll get.
Anvil not afraid of Virus. Virus strong, but Anvil stronger.
Nobody knows how strong I am. And by the time they find out, it's too late.
Am I wearing a hurt me sign or what?
Break it up, both of you! That's all the proof I need. Your evil's good enough for me, Virus. You're one of us.
I've remained in hiding far too long. I'm ready to crush Ace Lightning.
Oh, such sweet music to my ear.
I am evil!
Begging your pardon, my lord, but the vitriolic virus is acting rather randomly.
Indeed. Which is why he will remain under the watch of Anvil until we can be absolutely certain of his evil intentions.
Marcus told me all about you. So how you like it here?
It's fantastic. You know, I've seen the airport, the inside of Mark's house, and now I'm going to school. Now I'm living the dream. No, really. It's good to see Mark. I miss my best friend. So, what'd you guys do here for excitement?
I love the smell of fresh bait in the morning.
Movies.
I'm up for some real excitement. You know, like bungee jumping.
Mark, I didn't know your friend was into bungee jumping.
I didn't know he was.
Somebody's gonna pay for that!
So you mooned a Spice Girl. That's so awesome.
My proudest moment. So, what looks good today?
It's all good. Who are you?
He's Pete, my friend from England.
Well, any friend of yours. Just another mouth to feed. Next.
Pete's my friend, too. Take care of him, would you?
Chucky, why didn't you say so? Welcome to our country. Please, enjoy some of our local cuisine. I call this spaghetti and meatballs.
Well, it's lovely, as are you. But word is, you make the best fish and chips in North America. And I'm feeling a little homesick.
Pete, she doesn't serve fish and chips, mate.
Not to you. For our special guest, I'll make an exception.
Fish and chips? Sweet.
Cool music. Who are they? New jazz hip-hop group from Manchester. I'll email you some of their sound files. Cool. Is that who I think it is?
Pete, please. I told you not to talk about Ace Lightning.
Right, yeah. What if I hold on to the amulet for a while?
No, it's too dangerous. You'll be like a walking target for Lord Fear.
Okay.
Get these chains off me, Fear. I told you I was evil.
All in good time, Virus. First, I must be certain that your evil side is here to stay.
I am evil. I'll destroy you.
Excellent, Virus. Keep that up and you'll be free in no time. Meanwhile, my massive underling Anvil will keep you company.
Anvil has a play date.
Lightning here.
It's Mark, what's the problem?
The problem's Random Virus, kid. They're holding him prisoner. He's mixed up with Lord Fear and his no-good goons.
When isn't he mixed up?
I hear you, kid. He's got problems, but he's my friend. We better get over to the carnival and fast.
Fine. I'll meet you there after school.
Mark, why didn't you tell me Pete was so funny?
Must have slipped my mind.
And I love the accent.
I have an accent too.
Yeah, but his is, I don't know, newer, you know?
Yeah, I know.
Play some defense! Ramirez! Go that way! Twinkle, use your hands, you're a goalie! Hands! Use your legs! Come on, Holland, I've seen better dribbling from a baby!
Positive reinforcement. That's the key to getting the most out of your players. Now, there's also a complex technical strategy to the game that I wouldn't expect you to understand, even if you are from England.
So, do you favor a 4-3-3, forward, midfielder, defender ratio? Or you're a more aggressive 4-2-4 kind of guy?
Well, yeah, I'll tell you, a good coach never reveals his secrets.
Come on, you go block that kick!
Good thing you're wearing a cup, Miguel.
A cup of what? Hey, Coach. Can Pete sub for Chuck?
Oh, yeah, sure. If he's as good as Hollander, sure he can.
I don't know if I'm as good as Mark, but I'll give it a go.
Hey, Hollander. Looks like you got some competition.
Let's play game. How about Anvil says? Whatever Anvil says, you do!
Why don't you believe me? I'm evil, and the first one I'm going to destroy is you.
I'll start game. Anvil says, pull chain.
Release me.
Not bad. Anvil says, get angry.
Enough! I'll endure no more!
You must have played Anvil says before.
Oh, you don't have to thank me, Peter. Pleasure to meet such a fine young man. And remember, don't be a stranger. Up. School is out, Hollander. No loitering.
Mr. Chesbro just showed me around your school. He's not a bad bloke once you get to know him.
Are we talking about the same Mr. Chesbro?
And I like your friends too. Sam and Brett, they're great. And I get a kick out of Chuck.
Yeah, he's a good friend. Unlike some people I know.
What's that supposed to mean?
Nothing, forget it.
Hey, guys. Pete, you ready to go?
I was born ready, love.
All right. Hey, a bunch of us are going to get some pizza. You want to come?
No, I got some stuff to do here.
You're gonna meet Ace, right?
I think he said enough already.
I'll let you two talk. Pete, I'll meet you up front.
Oh, wait, Samantha. I'm sorry about that. I'm having a bad day. I'll catch you later.
All right.
Shall we?
We shall.
What'd I tell you, LF?
Yes.
Fresh bait.
Indeed, Rat. It appears we have another lightning knight in our midst. But something tells me he won't be there for long.
So, what was Mark like when he was younger?
You know, the same. Only smaller. So did I tell you about the time? I'm sneaking backstage at the Oasis concert.
Yeah, twice.
Shouldn't you see what Mark's up to? I mean, he is your friend.
Yeah. I know exactly what Mark's up to. I'm just gonna go get us some ice cream. Could you look after this for me?
Isn't this Mark's?
Yeah, I borrowed it for a while.
Is it just me, or do all English kids act strange?
You care for a cone?
Don't say that I'm in the master plan. Don't say
took the amulet.
Hey, Mark, have you seen Pete?
I thought he was with you.
Well, he was. You two are too much alike. It's really weird. He pulled the same disappearing act on me and Brett.
A disappearing act?
Yeah, he went to go get some ice cream and never came back. Oh, yeah, and he also gave me this.
He left this behind, too.
Can't believe he did this. See you guys later.
And there he goes.
Now, mortal, I'm only going to ask this once. Where is the amulet?
Is this part of the game?
I assure you, mortal, this is no game.
Now, where is the amulet?
But, boss, I thought you was only gonna ask him once.
Shut up!
Tell him the truth, mortal. He'll go easier on you later.
Look, man, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm from England.
The mortal lies.
No, I swear, it's the truth.
Then you will remain our prisoner until you reveal the whereabouts of the amulet. Or until we destroy you, whichever comes first.
No, please. I'm on my holidays.
I will destroy you! You shouldn't have done that. Now it's lights out for Virus.
I am evil, oh so evil. I will not stop till they see mine.
Oh, lovely, my lord. Simply lovely.
Enjoy it, mortal. It's my aria of annihilation.
I am evil, oh so evil. I will not stop till Ace is mine. Mine, 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 mine.
I've got to help my friend. But how?
Please, I'm begging you, stop singing.
Not until you tell me where the amulet is.
It's right here, Fear. And if you let my friend go, it's yours. You win the game.
Mark, I'm sorry. No, don't do it.
Oh, Pete, run!
Anvil dizzy.
This will clear your head.
Hey, Random, nice work. But I thought you were evil.
You thought right.
Random, wait. You are a lightning knight. You just don't remember. Think about it, Random. You are making a big mistake.
You are weak. You must be destroyed. I'll annihilate all of you cowards.
Hey, LF, he isn't talking about us, is he?
You again.
Nice.
Put him down.
No, Random, we're friends.
I have no friends.
Yes, you do, Random. You just don't know it. Random!
It's both our skins, Lightning.
You save me, I'll save you.
Deal. Truce. For now. Until the next time. Ace Lightning.
Here's your football back.
Thanks.
Come on, I'll introduce you to Ace.
No. I don't think I'm ready.
What?
I know I've been acting weird lately, but the truth is, my life back home is, well, normal. I thought if I was all cool with your mates and played this game you always go on about, I'd have some excitement for a change. I guess I was, jealous. So, what'd you say? Still mates?
Still mates.
Ace, what happened? How'd I get here?
You wouldn't believe it if I told you.
I was about to destroy you, yet you stood by me. Why?
Because you're my friend, and friends stand by each other. Now, let's get you home.
What about me? Lord Fear? Virus? Ace?
It appears that friendship is more powerful than I imagined. It seems to bond these mortals, providing them with great courage. And with courage comes strength.
So how do we break this bond of friendship?
We must divide and conquer, my steady star. Divide the mortals amongst themselves. Confuse them as to who their friends are. Isn't that right, my lady?
Truer words were never spoken.
You are a genius, my lord.
You mean an evil genius?